the money flow strategy. There's actually 5. See this indicator here too? This has to be down also. See, it's red, that's down. This is pointing down, that's pointing down. Look, it's not even at the overbought, oversold. This you could consider just coming out of that area, went up a bit, came down, that's down. And the red is over on the stochastics and it's pointing down. All of this. And then see this here? That's like a support and resistance, this line right here. If it breaks that, you can expect it to then come down a good amount. And look at the time, and you gotta look at the time. So although all of this looks good, once that minute changes, these are gonna move a certain direction. You know, it's gonna reflect a different direction because a bunch of orders are gonna kick in. They always wait for after the this is the 15-minute chart. 15 minutes, Australian dollar, USD, and then it does this. And I think that's what you were doing. But look, the time is coming down and it looks like it's breaking. Then I come over to I have this here going also, and I see it broke and I didn't pay attention. Shoot, hurry up. Sell. And then what do I do? And now, as you see here, this here is another support and resistance thing here. This is a part of the what do you call it? This is the sheriff strategy. Now I forgot also just now. I mean, because it broke, I was like, let me just jump in and just get in. But I was waiting for it to break and then jump in. It had already did it, so the little bit of pips that I would have gotten is like disappearing because it could come right down here and then strike this here. So yeah, this is a demo account. The new time came in, that kicked in, and it's just a good thing it's over here. It's in my favor. And I just want to do 3 pips and dip. That's my strategy, is 3 pips and dip. And I have this set for points. I have this set for points so that although here, what I do also is adjust. I usually would adjust this so that the so I don't see the money. I usually have this adjusted so I don't see the money. I'll come here and grab this and I'll pull it all the way down. So I don't see money, I see points. So that's points. So it struck this here, this 50 moving average, and bounced up. So now we want to come back over to the trading view, and as you see, money flow changed up. This is still pointing down. It's starting to curve, so everything's changing. This here, the stochastics are still far apart from each other, so it indicates that maybe some more coming down, but the money flow to me is very, very strong and is a very important indicator. And RSI is curving now, coming, so it's not really all that great. As you see, it's already starting to come back on me, So usually you wouldn't wait, usually you would wait for that new timer to start before you jump in. But like I said, it broke through something I was trying to jump into. I should have just left it alone though. But as you see, now I'm back down to -2 and trying to bounce back up to where I got in at. So this here, I wanted to snatch pips from here to here, but I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to start the video and stuff. This is a demo. It still have enough, it still has enough indicators for it to kick into what I was trying to get 3 pips. But as you see here, this moving average 200 shows the trend, and see it's curving up So it's actually not really a great time right now. And then it'll go over to the 1 hour. And it's coming down. So that's good. So like if I got caught in this and I really wanted to keep it, not have a loss, I could just leave it and just let it rock. I don't trade right after the non-farmers payroll. I don't want to do that. So, alright, just showing you a little bit. Don't forget that volume indicator is important also. So, which is right here. This has to be down also. See this line here? It doesn't, like, it's not like it's going to be pointing all the way down, but it just has a curve down, and you see this bar here showing the volume, who's the winner in the volume of, in other words, the volume of buys and sells. It's red, it's sells. It's a bunch of sells beating out the buys. The money flow is starting to point up, which is not good, but everything else still got some flowing down that's happening, so I may snatch up my 3 pips. Alright, later.